Today I'm going to show you how to make low-fat curd. Many people are scared of adding curd to their diet because it has fat in it. Curd is a very good probiotic. It is great for your digestive health. It should be had either as such or as buttermilk almost every single day. But if you are on your weight loss journey, you don't have to worry. You can make low-fat curd and enjoy it. It is a very easy process. It does not take much effort at all. So let me quickly show you how to make low-fat curd. To make curd, I have taken half liter of milk, and the first thing we need to do is boil it. So the milk is about to boil. Once it boils, what we need to do is we need to allow it to cool down for some time, and once it cools down, I'm going to keep it in the fridge overnight. And the purpose of doing it is I want all the fat to accumulate on the top as one layer. So only if we refrigerate it overnight, the fat will get accumulated on the top layer. Now the milk is boiled. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to turn it off, allow this to cool down and refrigerate it overnight. The milk has been in the fridge the whole night and you can see that the fat layer has accumulated on the top. Let me show you. You can see that thick layer collected on top. That is the fat layer. Now we need to remove this completely. The remaining milk is called as skimmed milk. Okay, so using the skimmed milk, we're going to make curd. So I'm going to slowly remove the fat like that. I can collect this cream for around 2 weeks and make ghee out of it. I'm just making sure I haven't left any fat behind. Checking if there's any fat left. I think we've removed the entire layer of fat. So I can now use this milk to make curd. I'm going to heat up the milk a little bit again because to make curd, the milk should be a little hot. So the temperature is very important. It should not be too cold. It should not be too warm also. It should be a little hot. When you put your finger inside the milk, it should be bearable heat. I'm checking the heat now. It's a little cold, so I need to allow it to get heated a little bit more. I'm gonna check it again. Now the heat is correct. It's bearable heat, but it's not too hot also. I'm going to turn off the flame and we can now make curd from this. I'm taking the milk we just heated. And I have taken half cup of homemade curd. So I already have this curd made at home. If you don't have homemade curd, you can also use the store-bought curd. Mix it really well so that all the lumps are gone. If you have a whisk, you can use that also. I'm going to mix it well and then transfer this curd to the milk. Add the entire curd slowly to the milk. Then gently stir it so the curd is evenly spread. Now we are going to allow this to rest for 6 to 8 hours. If the weather is hot, it might get ready a little earlier, and if it is too cold, it might take some time. Now it's been around 6 hours and the curd is already ready. Our very own homemade low-fat curd. So this is how you make low-fat curd. So you don't have to worry about having curd every single day because you know how to make low-fat curd, and you don't have to buy curd from stores anymore. You can make your own curd at home because it is so simple and easy to make. If you know a friend who's still buying curd from outside, packaged curds, please send this video to them and help them learn to make their own curd. Do try out this recipe yourself and let me know how it turns out. If you want me to make a video on any other recipe, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to make it for you. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.